Add 1 can of pasta sauce. Add 1.5 cans of water. Add crushed tomato, half a can of crushed tomato. Add 2 chicken breasts or 8 pieces. Add cheese tortellini. Mix it all up. Put on the lid of the Instant Pot. Check that your valve position is set to seal, and when it's ready to reach pressure, it's going to pop up and then go down again once pressure is released. Pressure cook on 10 minutes. Once the pressure cook is done, unseal your vent, let the steam out, shred up the chicken. Put it back in. Add half a cup of cream. You can either close the pot and keep it warm, or you can dish it up straight away with some mozzarella cheese on top.